Hey guys, so we're at the mall again. So this time we're doing fart noises. I feel like this isn't really that entertaining this time, so I guess we're just gonna keep it at like a 2-3 minute video, maybe even one. I don't know. So bye.
Speaker fart noise.
What'd you do? What'd you
Hey guys, that's the end of the video, and I know it was short and boring. It could have been boring. It probably was boring, but that's because we didn't have a lot of time, and all the good reactions that we had were off of camera, or we weren't recording, or if we weren't recording, we just didn't get it on the camera, like it was facing the opposite direction. And yeah, we really didn't have a lot of time to do it, and we only did this in one day. So if you like this kind of these videos, then be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.